Hello student, today we will do question number 5 and 6 from exercise 3A on Science Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 5. A man invests rupees 3072 in a company paying 5% per annum when its rupees 10 share can be bought for rupees 16 each. Find his annual income and his percentage income on his investment. See question number 5. Total investment rupees 3072. Nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 10. Market value of one share is 16. Therefore, number of shares is 0.72 divided by 16. We divide this by 16. 192. 192 total share is 192. Now see question number 1. Question number 1 is his annual income. Dividend on one share is equal to given 5% dividend on 10. 5 by 10, 5 by 100 into 10 means 0.5. So therefore annual income is equal to then 192.5 is equal to this page 96. This is now see question number 2. His percentage income on his investment. Percentage income. equal to this 3096 divided by 3072 into 100. If we will calculate this, so answer will be 3 1 by 8%. This is answer. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is question number 6. A man invests rupees this 7,770 in a company paying 5% dividend when a share of a nominal value of rupees 100 sell at a premium of rupees 5. Find here total investment. Total investment is equal to rupees 7770. Total investment is this. Nominal value of one share. One share is equal to rupees 100. Market value of one share to, because he is selling at a premium of rupees 5. So market value of one share will be 105. Now number of shares. Question number 1. Number of shares equal to then 7770 divided by 105. Percent. If you calculate this, 5 will cut by 5. 5 to 1, 5 to 2. That's it. Cut by 7, 3, 2 divided by 3, 74. Number of shares is 74. Second is question. Second is annual income. Dividend on one share. One share. It's equal to 5% paying dividend. Five percent dividend means in 100 5 rupees is dividend is equal to dividend on one share is equal to rupees 5. So annual income is equal to then 74 into 5 is equal to rupees 300. Now question number 3. Percentage income. Percentage equal to then 370 divided by 7770 into 100. This is if we calculate this, so answer will be expenditure 7 plus 74 100 by 21. So if we'll add this, then we will get 4.76%. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.